ganyan-ganyan, oh, tugsok-tugsok. Yung may tusok-tusok is, it looks like, ano, ayun, circle. Circle, tapos merong parang needle-needle sa labas. It looks like sea urchin. Sea urchin. Mine looks like sea urchin, not abalone. It's like sea urchin. Yes, yes, like that, sea urchin. Akala ko chuk, chuk, tugo. Malaki, malaki na yan. Ate ko, Lord. Bakit, Pia? Yeah, it looks sea urchin, not abalone. Because I don't know what's abalone. Sea urchin na lang. Hello, one. Shy one. Chooks, you understand sea urchin? Ano, Abdul Karim? You like sea urchin? You eat sea urchin? Or no? I know you don't eat pork, right? But sea creatures. You like sea creatures? Sea creatures? Or no also? Hello, 51. Shy 51. Gusto ko nga ma-try mag-fishing eh. Hello, JJ. Shall we, JJ? No. Aba! Oh, you not eat sea creatures? Why? You not eat fish? Fish? You not eat fish? I thought you not only eat pork, so you not also eat fish and others? Aba, hi, aba. What about octopus? Pussy. Octopussy. You like? Or squid rolls? Black. Hello, black. Or crabs? Or shrimps? And mantis? I love eating fish. Kakain ba yun? Oh, you eat fish. Me too. And seashells? You like seashells in the ocean? Seashells. Tayo ka, ate. Pag i-Queen's coronation mo ko, oh, tatayo ako. If you give me Queen's coronation, I'm gonna stand up. Ano? Payag ka. Di ba hindi? Ay, di din ako papayag. Para quits tayo. Hello, Ricky. Me, I really want to go fishing. I want go fishing sa ano, Korea or China or Japan. Seashells. Yeah, seashells. Like clams. Masarap si cucumber. Ay ko yun. Si cucumber, parang janitor fish yata yun ng ano eh, ng ocean eh. Kumakain yata sila ng dumi-dumi eh. Hindi ako kakain nun. Angelo, ano yun? I like crabs. XCOM, hala, XCOM. What's your favorite? Anong Gcash mo? I like it too. Wow, we're the same. Oh, you want to send me some money? But sorry, I don't accept cash. It is exempted. No